Hello guys, good morning. I'm Shrujita. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, July 7th. So yeah, we woke up a little late. We woke up late generally in the weekend. So yeah, so we are going to have our breakfast. Quite obvious. So let's go. Hello guys, so right now it's 3:30 and it's lunchtime. I'm not gonna cook today. We have some leftovers, so we're going to have lunch. So yeah, after that I'm gonna clean my house a bit because in the evening our few friends gonna come. So yeah, now bye. Hello, so today is Sunday, July 8th, and I already had my breakfast and I was watching a TV show. So right now I'm gonna make lunch. If you guys into crime or investigation or murder kind of shows, do watch this TV show called The Killing. It's on Netflix. I am loving this show. I just got so much addicted that I forgot to do all other things I need to do and just keep watching, So that's a bad thing, I know, but that's what I'm doing since 2 days right now. Yeah. I hope I'm gonna end it today. If not, by Monday I'm gonna end it. So yeah, that's that. But right now I'm going to make lunch. For lunch I'm gonna make chicken liver curry, and basically it's called bori diye shak in Bengali, but what it's called in English I don't know. Shak is basically spinach. So that's it. So yeah guys, that's all. Now let's begin. So at first I'm gonna add mustard oil into the pan. Then for tempering I am adding whole jeera, then whole red chili, and then I'm going to add chopped onion and saute it for a few minutes. After that I'm gonna add ginger garlic paste and chopped tomatoes. After that I'm gonna add turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and red chili powder, and salt to taste, and mix it up, cover it up, add a little bit of water into it and let it cook. After that I'm gonna add chicken liver into it, and I'm gonna cook it for at least 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat, and in between I am going to give it a stir. If needed I'll add water into it. So yeah. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato ketchup, and at the end I'm going to add chopped coriander leaves, and it's ready to serve. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I know I upload this vlog quite late. It's been over a week. I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna upload my next vlogs quite frequently. I can promise you that, and I'll do that for sure. So yeah, that's that. And one more exciting news I'm gonna share with you guys, and that is my parents are coming. Yay! On this Friday they are coming, and I'm really excited and to see them after a long time. They came here in States in the month of May or April end. I forgot the exact dates, but they're staying over at my sister's place. She lives in North Carolina. They're coming here on Friday, but they're not gonna stay at my place that long. They're gonna stay only for 2 to 3 weeks. That's a bummer, I know, but whatever. I'm gonna vlog with them, and I'm really excited for that. So yeah guys, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I love to read your comments. And yeah guys, I'm gonna see you guys on my next vlog. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Mwah. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love to watch my vlogs. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, because whenever I upload, you'll get a notification. So that's that. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.